Hello everyone. Today I will explain how to calculate the valency from formula. If we know the valency of negative radical and the valency of hydrogen, oxygen and chlorine, hydrogen valency is 1, oxygen 2 and chlorine 1, we can easily calculate valency of other element. So, to explain it better, I have taken two examples. Number one is Fe2O3. We are supposed to calculate valency of iron, and second example NO2. Okay. Here we will calculate valency of nitrogen. So, what is the procedure? Step by step I will tell you. What is the first step? Write the given formula. Whatever formula is given, you write. Okay. Fe2O3 and second example NO2. Then what is the second step? Interchange the subscripts and write it as superscript. I hope you know what is subscript and what is superscript. So, second step, interchange the subscript and write it as superscript. So, first example Fe3 and O2. So, what is the valency of iron? 3, because oxygen valency we already know, it is 2. Okay. In second case, what we will get? At the top of N 2 and oxygen 1. But in second example, oxygen valency is 2. Therefore, multiply both the superscript by 2. One more step we have to follow here, because we already know valency of oxygen is not 1, valency of oxygen is 2. So, what we will do? Third step, we will multiply both superscript by 2. What we will get? Valency of nitrogen is 4 in NO2. Okay. Another example, we can take FeO. Find out valency of iron in this compound. Okay, iron oxide, we have to find out valency of iron. So, what is the first step? Again, here both places were 1 number. So, after interchanging also we will get Fe1, O1. We already know that oxygen valency is not 1, oxygen valency is 2. So, what is the next step? Multiply superscript by 2. So, what will be the valency of iron? 2. In FeO, valency of iron is 2. So, how to write this oxide? This is iron second oxide or ferrous oxide. Okay, two ways we can write. This is iron second oxide. Here valency of iron is 2. So, we can write iron second oxide or it is ferrous oxide. Okay. Then more example we will take. Next one, SnO2. We have to find out valency of tin in this case. Okay. So, first step, write the formula SnO2. Second step, interchange subscript and write it as superscript. So, at the top of 10 what we will get? 2 and oxygen 1. We already know that oxygen valency is not 1, valency of oxygen is 2. So, what we will do? Multiply both superscript by 2. So, what will be the valency of Sn? Valency of Sn is 4 in this formula SnO2. Okay. Another example, calculate valency of X in XOH twice. Okay, OH is hydroxide. Valency of hydroxide is 1. Okay, so here this is very simple. What is the second step? Interchange the subscript and write it as superscript. So, at the top of X what we will get? 2 and OH 1. So, what is the valency of X here? 2 and valency of OH is 1. Okay. Then one more example, valency of carbon in carbon dioxide. Okay. Calculate valency of carbon in carbon dioxide. So, again here what will be the first step? Interchange subscript and write it as superscript. So, what we will get? C2O1. Clear now? Now, we already know that oxygen valency is not 1, valency of oxygen is 2. So, multiply both superscript by 2. So, what is the valency of carbon in carbon dioxide? 4. Okay, clear? So, practice.